Join me while I clean up around the house. I'm so excited. I just got these products by Huroyama. I'm gonna unbox them and show you how I use them at home. I'm loving the attractive packaging. This is their hair catcher, and this is in their medium size. This can be used on a variety of different types of drains, from your bathtub drain, your shower drain, your sink, and it comes in a variety of sizes. This is the medium size that's made in the dimension 86 millimeters. I also got the size small, which is perfect for my sink drain. And I also got their large set. I'm really excited about this product. This is the Huro Swipe. This design is so interesting. They seriously thought of everything with this. And right now they're actually doing a crowdfunding campaign. These are super simple to set up. And when you're ready to clean, you'll just remove this and wash with some soap and water. This velcros easily into place. And this back section of the Huro Swipe is really well designed. This front section I'll use for scrubbing, cleaning, anything you can think of with a flat surface. And then when you're ready to swipe the water away, you don't have to worry about the water dripping down because the Huro Swipe is going to catch it right here. Thanks for watching my YouTube video. If you'd like to check out the Huro Swipe, I included that link in the description. This is really awesome and so amazing to use.